Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XAI. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that XAI has formed a quite long falling broadening wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and this is one of those videos that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently the price line is once again bounced from the support of this falling broadening wedge pattern. And before this this big drop, the price line was moving inside this ascending triangle. And after that, it broke down the support of the triangle here on 24th of July. And I was telling you that target for this breakdown can be here, as per this breakdown, can be here approximately at 23 cents. And you can see that the price line dropped more than that and tested the support of the wedge once again. At the same time, when it was testing the support of the wedge, the stochastic and RSI, both oscillators entered the oversold zone, and there is also a bullish divergence flashed as well as the price line formed this low here and the next low is lower than the previous one. But you can see that stochastic is forming higher low than previous low, and even RSI is also forming higher low than previous low. So there was a double bullish divergence signal there for the price and followed this signal and bounced very well. And so far from this support of this broadening falling wedge pattern up till here, it has recovered more than 34.4%. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Ethereum named services, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of XAI. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days, since after 16th of Feb 2024, the price line is moving inside this broadening falling wedge pattern. And you can see whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this wedge, it is forming lower highs and lower lows as well. Like here, it formed this low here, then it formed another high here, then formed another lower low and formed another lower high. Then we had another bounce, and this time the price line could not break out this very strong resistance zone that starts from 40 cents and goes to 44 cents. That has been previously breaking as support here, and now it is flipped into a resistance and formed this ascending triangle and broke it out as well. And now recently the price line has formed another lower than previous low and bounced very well from the support of the broadening falling wedge pattern. At the same time, there is also a double bullish divergence signal flashed as well. Like the price line formed lower than previous low, and you can see stochastic is forming higher low and RSI is also forming higher low than previous low. Therefore, the price line is likely to follow this signal. And now we need to break out this resistance first. That is at 27.35 cents. That had been previously breaking as support here, and now it can break as a resistance. And after that, we will need to break out this resistance zone that starts from 44 cents and goes to 40 cents and goes to 44 cents. And then we will need to break out the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern. This time here, we will have a crisscross of the resistance levels. One will be the resistance of the broadening falling wedge pattern. Another one will be this long-term key resistance of 57.4 cents that had been previously breaking as a support here for several days, and now it can break as a resistance. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the broadening falling wedge pattern, the technical target for this breakout will be here at the highest price of this broadening falling wedge pattern at the top of this wedge. That will be approximately at somewhere between $1.60 to $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.